Monday, January 11, 2016, and the time is currently 8:59. And I just had a bunch of messages I saw on there. So, I gotta go to piano here soon. But first I gotta eat breakfast. And then I gotta come home and work on some schoolwork, which I'm not too terribly worried about, because I think it'll be okay. And, well, recap what happened yesterday. I woke up and I was like, why? Because I did not feel the greatest, so I stayed home from church. I listened to a sermon online and stuff, and I just kind of stayed home and relaxed. And I woke up this morning with a little bit of a cold, so hopefully this all goes away, because I don't want it. So, there's that. Fast. Yay. Well, back from piano now. Started my first online class, so I'm going to work on that. Hopefully it's not terrible. Mom and I went there, looked at my classroom for my classes on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So now I know where to go, and it's super confusing. And it's cold. It's really cold out, and I don't know how I feel about it. Charlie doesn't like the cold either. I don't blame her. I don't blame her at all. Come here. Come say hi to people. Say hi, people. See, I'm a weird puppy. The bestest but weirdest puppy. You say hello. Look at those eyeballs. Oh. Watch me whip. Now watch me nay. Now watch me whip, whip. Watch me nay. Yay! 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 Do it.
Do the snake. You do the kind of.
What do you think about that? Say hi, Rachel.
Hi.
I like her hat. She's got a cool hat. Poke, poke. You can't have any. It's mine. You too, Bubby. What are you having, Mom?
A salad and bean dip and grapefruit.
Cool.
And a lot of coffee because it's just really cold.
Charlie was just nipping the thing and it just fell out of the dishwasher and she went flying everywhere.
You attach the wheel. Wheel.
Charlie!
That one. Goes on this side.
Charlie, come here. Hey, back it up.
No. This isn't exactly light.
We're about to venture into the cold. We ventured. You can even see me. It is just not bad for this. Look at it. Look at that. Dude, construction people get paid good. They also have a fire over there too. There's a garbage man, I hear it. Ninja puppy. Here. Let go. No, hey. Let go. Let me do a trick. You just want to tug on it. Oh! What was that? What was it? Ready? Sit. Whoa, ninja puppy! Ninja puppy!
Why is she a ninja puppy?
Ninja puppy. Because I tossed a blanket on her and she was like, whoa! She's like, I'm gonna beat you up.
Yeah, sure you
I'm gonna beat you up. I'm gonna beat you up.
I'm gonna fix you.
I took the ice maker out to put ice in my little bucket. Because we're having a Bible study party.
Instructions!
I already read the instructions.
And the instructions are useless.
They weren't helpful.
It looks like she's like snarling. No! I'm trying to get used to it by throwing in random conversations at random times. And I'm like,
but
he doesn't know.
Charlie's, she's like, I'm gonna pick up.
Oh, coffee. I think it's coffee.
Good night, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow. Hope you had a wonderful Tuesday, which is Monday for me, but Tuesday when you see this, I think. I don't know. Hope you had a wonderful day regardless. Bye. Always remember, be happy. It's supposed to be a pancake. Which one you think is the best looking pancake?